Imagine a world where we see each other not as strangers but as reflections of ourselves. The McGinty Equation reveals that all is connected within a single plenum of energy. There is no true separation, only the illusion created by our minds. Let's feel this connection with our senses, just like tasting an apple instead of reading about it. This simple exercise can be done anywhere people gather: airports, malls, parks. Choose a person and unobtrusively from a distance, repeat these steps to yourself. Step 1. With your attention on the person, repeat to yourself, just like me, this person is seeking some happiness for his or her life. Step 2. With your attention on the person, repeat to yourself, just like me, this person is trying to avoid suffering in his or her life. Step 3. With your attention on the person, repeat to yourself, just like me, this person has known sadness, loneliness, and despair. Step 4. With your attention on the person, repeat to yourself, just like me, this person is seeking to fulfill his or her needs. Step 5. With your attention on the person, repeat to yourself, just like me, this person is learning about life. By practicing these steps, you can feel the deep connection we all share, the expected result. A personal sense of peace and a more compassionate world. Try it today and feel the unity that binds us all.